Right. Obviously I take on I knew what that plane was. That was the Rockwell Commander 112/4 that was. As you can see, that's a plane that we always see every weekend. As you can see, the rate is GTACH, that is. So the rate is GTEC. Let's have a look where it's coming from. As you can see here, look, it just took off at its base to Cornwall Airport, Newquay. Obviously it took off to the other side of the runway today because of the runway has been changed at Newquay Airport today, obviously. So as you can see, this is where it started flying from, Pasto. And that was the time it took off, around 3:32 PM, as he was at 23,000 feet. And today he started from 4E. As you can see today, he's just started, this is where he started doing his coach lesson, as he started from 4E. And then from here he was just about 23,000 feet though. But obviously because even if today it's quite cloudy today, so obviously we just got to get careful with the weather today, because the weather seems to be very cloudy around our place today apparently. So yeah, unfortunately, because it is very cloudy today apparently. But so yeah, that's why we didn't seem to be seen, well, as if though we haven't really seen much planes today apparently. There's only one we've now seen, was this one. As you can see, that's coming from Newquay to North Able, and that was the Rockwell Commander 140 that was. As you can see, this is where it's just started his lesson from anyway, as it took off at Newquay, as he was departed 31 minutes ago, but luckily enough. But anyway, so yeah, bit surprised we haven't really seen much planes today apparently, which is a very shame apparently. Oh, I now got a low % battery on my phone. But anyway, so that was the Rockwell Commander 140 GTEC. So yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.